Good morning, everyone. My topic name is cells. Firstly, introductions of cells, anatomy and physiology. Firstly, human anatomy and physiology. It is a simply study of structures of individual body parts and how they works means functions of different body parts is called as human anatomy and physiology. There are two types of human anatomy and physiology. First one is anatomy and second one is physiology. Anatomy. First, the definition of anatomy. Anatomy is the branch of biological science that deals with the study of structures of different body system. Then subdivision of the anatomy. Anatomy can be divided into subdivided into various parts. First one is cell anatomy or cytology. Study of cellular structure is called as cytology. Then histology, study of tissue structure is called as histology. And third one is a gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is a study of structures of visible to naked eye, and fourth one is a structure of visible to naked eye is called a gross anatomy. Then microscopic anatomy, the study of structures of very small structure is called as microscopic anatomy. And then systemic anatomy, study of different body system is called as systemic anatomy. Then second one is the physiology. Physiology is defined as a study. It is a branch of biological science that deals with the study of different study of functions and mechanism of different body system is called a physiology. There are also subdivision of physiology. Respiratory physiology means study of functions of lungs. Neurophysiology means study of physiology of neuron. Then immunophysiology means study of functions of defense mechanism. Cardiophysiology means study of functions of study of functions of heart and blood vessel. Then renal physiology means study of functions of kidney. These are anatomy and physiology. And then cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life. The cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. Cytology. Cytology means study of cellular structure. Cytology. There are two types of cell: plasma membrane and silver organelle. Plasma membrane is made up of protein, carbohydrate, and lipid. And its functions of the plasma membrane is protect the cell. Uh, then cell organelles have include cytoplasm. Firstly, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid portion of the cell organelles. Then second one is a ribosome. A ribosome is a factory of protein. Then third one is a endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum have two types: hard gelating and soft gelating endoplasmic reticulum. Hard means absence of ribosome, and smooth and hard means presence of ribosome. Then fourth one is then fourth one is a Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, and Golgi complex. Is also called as back structure of cell. Then mitochondria is also called a powerhouse of the cell. There are two types of mitochondria: inner and outer membrane. Inner is a folded and outer is a smooth membrane. Then Lysosome is also called as suicide bag of the cell. And then last one is a nucleus. Two types of nucleus: nuclear membrane and nucleoplasm. And have includes cell division. Cell division is a parent cell up to daughter cell. Cell division, then have include cell junction, cell communication. There are various types of cell. Thank you.